How are you? Yes. Burrito, what is this one?
It's a Mexican food.
You have like a puma? It's like the meat is a good meat?
Yes, sir.
What kind of meat is this one?
Beef.
It's a beef. You don't have puma? No puma? Maybe exotic like cougar? You have cougar, yes?
I don't know.
No cougar? Ah. You know paella?
No,
So what is your exotic? You have exotic?
no.
No exotic? So why I should buy here? What do you think?
You have no exotic. I don't know.
You take dollar? You take a dollar? It's money?
And it's only a Philippine money.
Philippine money. With the card, yes? Like a credit card?
No.
No.
Only cash.
Only cash. Only cash.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only cash. Sige, mungita sa ko sa pitaka, mama. Kaso na ko kaso na ko gamay rin ba? Ha? Okay na ka ma'am? Pero ma'am.